Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trader Techie, and this video will go through the SPI chart analysis. As you know, today SPI crossed a very important resistance level at around 200. So we'll go through how do we need to take a trade, do we need to take a position in SPI at this level, what will be the target and what will be the stop loss through chart analysis. So let's get started. So currently I'm in SBI chart analysis now. I'm in 1 day time frame. So if you see the chart clearly, you can see during the COVID times from maybe from the starting of 2020, from the level of 300, it made a very huge deep fall from 300 level to almost to 150 levels, and from there it's like recovering at a slow and steady pace, and now it's at 200 level. So if I try to mark the highs and lows of this stock, so if I do it in 1 month, if you see that it made a low of around 150 recently, a couple of months back, if I will be precisely during the May. Before that, if you see this, it made again, it touched the 150 levels way back in 2016. It also touched a couple of times in 2013. So if you go back and see maybe the 2013-16 and in 2020, so in last maybe 10 years time, it touched 3 times. So if I draw a line here, this becomes something called support level for the SPI, the 150 levels, where it touched couple of times, and it did not break this. It did not went beyond this level. It took a support at 150 level and it bounced back. So we consider very good support for SPI at 150 levels, and as of now, it's a very good support. And on the upper side, we take maybe 350 levels as a higher resistance part in 1 month. But if you come to 1 day chart, so as you know, 150 is a support level. So from in a 1 day chart from 320 levels, it came to 150, and now it's a bit consolidating. So if I try to find a short-term resistance for this SPI, so let me just draw a line. If you see this 200 levels, so I did draw a line at 200 levels. So you see here how many times it tried to. You can see here how many times it tried to cross this 200 level. So uh, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times it tried to cross the 200 levels, which was a huge resistance, huge resistance levels where people trying to sell this at SPI at 200 levels. But today, if you see, it crossed and it closed about 200 levels comfortably. If you see the candlestick also, it is a very bullish candlestick. You can see from 196 levels, it crossed 200 levels comfortably, and it's closed on 203 levels. And if you also see the chart, if I draw the lines for you, so you can see it while from 150 levels, while going to 200 levels. If you see from 150 levels, while going to 200 levels, it continuously made a lower lows, a higher lows, sorry. So here it made a low of 147, here it made a low of 170, here it made a low of around 177, here it made a low of 181, and here it made a low of 186. So if you see its trend continuously, it is making a higher lows from 147 to 170, from 170 to 177. So this is a behavior of a bullish trend. So as I said earlier, market will never, or a stock will never go in a straight line. It will always form higher highs and higher lows. So it will form these higher lows, and it will move in a bullish trend. So as you can see, this is a bullish trend. So similarly in SPI, you see it's making a higher high, but only thing is it's not been able to cross this at 200 levels. So today, since it's crossed 200 levels comfortably, so today since it's crossed it 200 comfortably, we'll see whether it's a good opportunity to buy this SPI at this level or not. So one more thing is, if you see this pattern is also called as inverted head and shoulder pattern. So I'll explain you that as well. So if I draw a line, so this becomes your shoulder, this becomes your head, and this becomes your one more shoulder, and this is called as your neck. So this we say as a head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder. So this we say as head and shoulder. So this we say as head and shoulder pattern. Okay, where this is your this is your shoulders, where this is your shoulders, and this is your head. So similarly, if you see here, it is now an inverted head and shoulder pattern where this is forming something like this. If I draw inverted, so this becomes your shoulder, this becomes your head, and this becomes your one more shoulder. Okay, so similarly, if you try to find it here, so if I draw something like that, this becomes our shoulder, this becomes our head, and this becomes your one more shoulder. So ultimately, if you want to find the target and the stop loss for this, usually this will be our target. The difference between the low and the high becomes your, if the stock breaks at this level, this becomes our target. Whatever difference it's there here, this becomes our target here at this point. So similarly, and this becomes your stop loss. So if you want to find the same trade in SPI, so what I'll do, I'll calculate this from this resistance level to this support, that is from 200 to 150 rupees. And similarly, if I want to let me just remove this. So similarly, if you want to find, so my next target would be around this level, 250 levels. And if you want to find out the stop loss, you have to keep a stop loss around this place, around 175 levels. It's always good to trade with a stop loss. So if something goes bad, and if any news comes and suddenly you see the SPI coming down, so you always have to trade with a proper stop loss. So ultimately, if you would like to trade in SPI, this is a very good opportunity for you. Buying at around maybe this level, 200 to 205 levels, maybe 200 to 205 levels, and keep a stop loss of 175, and then wait for the target of 250. And if you want to be very if you're a long-term investor, you can keep your investments in SPI, as it is a very good stock for trading. For investment purpose also, you can have your investment in SPI, as it's very good for investment as well. So this is what the target and the stop loss for SPI based on the chart analysis. And if you like this video, please do share this with your friends. And if you're new to if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. Take care. Bye.